Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sam Brown here, and make sure to subscribe because I'm doing daily videos. Okay, so the topic today is the oil prices going negative. So for the first time in history, oil prices go negative, which means you get paid to buy the oil. Okay, so for the first time in history, distributors are getting paid to buy it off the manufacturers. So whilst America and many other countries are in lockdown following the recent events, it means that nobody's going out, nobody's driving, flights aren't happening, so many things like oil and other essentials that we'd probably be usually using are not being used, meaning that all these oil companies have nowhere to store the oil and no one to sell it to. And this is where you guys come in. Now, the first thing that may come to your mind is, oh, I can go and put 10 barrels in my garage of oil and get paid $300, or fill my house with oil and get paid a few grand. And to be honest, this is just unrealistic. What the distributors, they're really looking for are people who have got space for millions, hundreds of thousands of barrels, because they don't want to be sending out small lots to people all across the country. However, later on in the video, I will tell you how you actually can make money from this. So, at the moment, coronavirus is having a big effect on the whole world, except for a few countries, such as Saudi Arabia, Russia, and these are massive oil industry producers. These two countries have ramped up their producing because they want to run America out of business and have all the market. By ramping it up, it means that, well, although it's gonna cost them a lot in the short term, in the longer term, they're gonna make more money and run America out of business. Now, you're probably wondering, how can I make money myself off of this? And if you have a lot of storage and loads of money, well, you can put it in your storage and gain 70 million. But the thing is, that's very unrealistic for many people because they don't have that massive amount of storage. The other option is to make money through stocks, okay? So at the moment, oil is obviously down very low. However, is it the right time to invest in oil? Well, in my idea, probably not. We need to wait until the coronavirus has hit its peak, especially in America. That's where it will have the biggest effect, okay? So once that hits the peak, the stocks will go down in price, and then probably a 1 to 2 day delay. However, when it goes down to the bottom price, that's when you want to invest. You invest your money then, and then it can only go back up. If you're looking in the short term, this will be the best way. However, you can make a lot more money by keeping the money in the stocks, as they'll gradually keep on coming back throughout the years. This may take a long time, however, the reward is massive. You could make so much money, you could probably make 200% on your initial investment. This is why I believe you guys should sign up. I'd recommend using something such as eToro or Robinhood to invest your stocks, as it's great for beginners, easy to use, and you can easily track your portfolio. Okay, thank you very much guys for watching the video. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment down below, and I'll be posting tomorrow. See you guys every day. Bye, thank you.